Hi, I'm Rafaelina, a realtor from Philadelphia with Live Love Artemis Real Estate Group at Keller Williams Philly. I think it's every home seller's dream scenario to get the best price possible and even spark a bidding war. And here are secrets that'll help your house fetch top dollar. Number 1, make the right use of your rooms. If you use the dining room for a kid's playroom, or if the loft is empty because you don't have use for it, restage your rooms so they reflect their original purpose. Buyers want to see the space used in a traditional way, with a dining table in the dining room, a desk chair in the office, to envision themselves living there. Number 2, reglaze the bathroom. Believe it or not, one of the best small tips to get top dollar for some of our houses is to reglaze old bathrooms. That has a terrible tile color like pink or green, plus it only costs a few $100s. Number 3, list undervalue. Data shows that if you list a home at 10% under market value, you will attract 75% of the buyer pool versus only 30% if you were to list 10% over market value. In fact, buyers are often motivated to bid by seeing others bid on a property, a dynamic that typically pushes bids above market value. Number 4, provide insider information. Include useful tidbits in the listing that only a local would know. Mention a popular neighborhood coffee shop, the best Mexican restaurant nearby, or the free library box around the corner. After all, you are an inside source. Number 5, create a quick video tour. Most people get great photos and fantastic descriptions, but filming a video tour of the property is inexpensive and can be done by an amateur. Increasingly, buyers want this option as an alternative to attending an open house. Number 6, finally get a home pre-inspection. Yes, the buyers will want their own home inspection, but getting a pre-inspection is a smart idea. You'll be able to address any significant repairs before putting your house on the market. And buyers will have an upfront idea of your home's condition. Plus, you'll likely impress them as a responsible homeowner.